ಬಂದಿದೆ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಹಿರಿಯರ ವಾಣಿ, ಹಿರಿಯರೇ ಇತರ ರಾಜ ರಾಣಿ. ಹತ್ತೋಣ ನಾವು ಅವರ ನೆನಪಿನ ದೋಣಿ, ಕೇಳುತ್ತಾ ಖುಷಿ ಪಡೋಣ ಹಿರಿಯರ ವಾಣಿ. ಕೇಳ್ತಾನೆ ಖುಷಿ ಪಡೋಣ ಹಿರಿಯರ ವಾಣಿ, ಕೇಳ್ತಾನೆ ಖುಷಿ ಪಡೋಣ ಹಿರಿಯರ ವಾಣಿ. ಇದು ಹಿರಿಯರ ಕತೆ ಹಿರಿಯರ ಜೊತೆ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹಿರಿಯರ ವಾಣಿಯಲ್ಲಿ. ಕೇಳ್ತಾನೆ ಇರಿ, ಖುಷಿಯಾಗಿರಿ. Hello listeners, this is your RJ Chandana and I welcome you all to Anubhav, a joint project of National Institute of Social Defence, Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment, Government of India and Media for Community Foundation, implemented by Nightingales Medical Trust. Project conceived by Dr. R. Sridhar, Project Investigator Alok Verma, Coordinators Pooja Murada, Sai Sudha, Kaushalya. Government of India has initiated an elder line toll-free number 14567. Elders or anyone on behalf of elders can call between morning 8 am to 8 pm for any questions, queries and support to elderly. Never stop learning because life never stops teaching. It's a saying in English. This is not just a say, it's the reality. Life teaches us valuable lessons even from the bad experience of our life. How we view it matters. Today, Mrs. Lalita Rao is going to share one of her experiences which emphasizes the importance of positiveness in everything. Lalita ma'am, I am one of your huge fans for the way you narrate the story. I am eagerly waiting to hear from you. Over to you.
We have a tendency to blame others or blame our fate for the many little mishappenings in life. We forget that everything teaches something and we become richer in knowledge and experience. Thinking back later in life, we realize it wasn't so bad after all. I was maybe four or 5 or 6 years old when my cousin brother was getting married and invitation was received by our parents. My father's elder brother's son, who was a doctor and that too in America, was getting married. He was getting married in Bangalore. There was a lot of excitement, and at that time we were in Bangalore and we were to come to Bangalore to attend the wedding. My elder sister, who was 4 years older than me, had our own, and myself, we had our own reasons for excitement. New clothes to wear, nicely dressed up, we could have fun. There would be a lot of people in the wedding, nice dishes to eat with special sweets. Wow! We were all geared up to attend the function. We came to Bangalore a few days before the wedding. We played with a lot of children of our age running around the pandal, and we enjoyed. Days went off so fast, and it was the last day of the wedding. And everybody was busy going back home, vacating the marriage hall. It was night, and I and my sister were tired after all the excitement and game. It was late, and I was so sleepy. My sister said, "Some old people are going home in the car. Come, let us go in and we can reach home. Mommy and Daddy are busy. They will be late to come. I'm tired and I'm sleepy." So I followed my sister and sat with her in the car, which was loaded with so many elders. I was small and squeezed in. Being preoccupied, no one realized that I was sitting close to the door, which was not properly closed. The car had moved on, and as I was sleepy, I must have leaned against the door. Suddenly I realized I was on the road below the car, holding on to the car. The car stopped. They must have realized. My sister was sobbing. Thank God. The car was moving slowly and it was very close to the house, and they stopped on time. I was bruised and frightened and shocked, and I was out of my wits. I too started crying. They gently carried me and put me on the bed. They dressed my bruises, and though I felt the pain and was frightened, when I saw all the attention given to me, I was pleased. They got me chocolates and ice creams to eat, and some dolls and nice games to play with to make me happy. Especially the special chocolates from America brought by the bridegroom was so tasty and yummy. I forgot my pains. I felt like a princess and enjoyed being pampered. My sister must have felt a bit jealous not to be the center of attraction. Later in my 80s, after my birthday, I was doing my usual morning exercises, pranayama, and meditation in my room. My husband had gone to the gym to work out. When I almost finished, I wanted to wear my chappals and go to the bathroom. Slow, I just turned a little to get my feet into my slippers, and suddenly, without a warning, I heard a thud and I fell down on my bottom. I placed my right hand on the ground so I may not fall back fully and hit my head. My hand started swelling like a balloon. The bottom and the back hurt so much. I thought, oh my God, I must have fractured my hand and God knows what else. Where else? For a second, I got panicky. Slowly, I collected my thoughts and wits and slided towards my bed. I gingerly hoisted myself up onto the bed and lay calmly for a while. My next thought was to call my husband. Where is my mobile? I realized it was on the table. I managed to edge and get that mobile, and I called my husband. He was there within 5 minutes, and in turn, he called my son. They took me to the hospital. I was given a drip, and my parameters were checked. Since my son and daughter in law are doctors and have their own hospital, everything was arranged quickly. The orthopedic surgeon was busy with another major surgery, so he was able to operate me only by late evening. I came to the ward with a cast on my right hand. They gave me painkillers, and I was in and out of consciousness that night. Next day, I got discharged and came home. Since I had a compression fracture of my thoracic bone too, they gave me a thoracic belt to wear, which kept my chest region immobile. Almost for 4 to 5 weeks, I had to stay in the bed most of the time. I could not do anything with my right hand. Well, I said, this is a chance for me to get used to my left hand. Now, in my Nightingale classes, they used to say that we should try using both our hands because then both our cerebral hemispheres in the brain would be stimulated. They gave us exercises of writing and drawing with our left hand. During these weeks in Plaster, I continued attending my cognitive classes in Nightingale, which was, thank God, online. I started using left hand to put answers on chat. I used my left hand to brush my teeth, comb my hair, and even eat food holding the spoon with my left hand. It wasn't easy though, but it was learning new things. Only lighting the lamp with my left hand and doing the arti during puja was very tricky. But challenges are exciting in life. Monotony is broken and we learn to do things differently. As I could not manage braiding my hair, I got my hair cut and I got a lot of appreciation from all my friends. Wasn't it rewarding? I learned that we should look at everything in life with a positive attitude. Sorry, friends, if I have bored you with my own narration. Let me hear your experiences too. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Lalita ma'am, for narrating your story so wonderfully. Thank you so much. We appreciate all your efforts to support us all the time. Thank you. Listeners, I hope you too enjoyed this program today. Stay tuned to Hiriya Ravani for more such programs. Government of India has initiated an elder line toll-free number 14567. Elders or anyone on behalf of elders can call between morning 8 am to 8 pm for any questions, queries and support to elderly. Bye for now. Take care.